तेका भायर आपया ना आमी भितर वयता जाता
5 मिनटं आम्ही टाइम दिला 5 मिनटं आम्ही पीसफुली
की एज्युकेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट्स आसा पळय तेका आमी म्हणटात टेम्पल ऑफ नॉलेज, ज्ञानाचें मंदिर. आयज ज्ञानाच्या मंदिरान ह्या भाजपा सरकारान कितें केलां? पॉलिटिक्स केला. कित्याक? पयलीं तेंच्यांनी व्हॉट्सॅप युनिवर्सिटी केली, मागीर सोशल मिडियाचेर लोकांक ट्रोल करपाक लागले, फेक न्यूज लोकां भितर घालपाक लागले. तितलेय कमी पडले काय म्हणून आतां ते स्कुला भितर भुरग्यांची तकली आनी तेंच्या भितर विश घालोवपाचे प्रकार अशे चल्ला सध्या. डेमोक्रेसी म्हणजे कितें? आयज भाजप सरकार म्हणटा की आमकां इमर्जन्सी पिरियडा बद्दल भुरग्यांक सांगूंक जाय आनी तांकां सांगूंक जाय डेमोक्रेटीक व्हॅल्यूज. अरे हे कितें डेमोक्रेटीक व्हॅल्यूज सांगतले? सगळ्यांत चड डेमोक्रेटीक व्हॅल्यूज तेंच्यांनी वाट लावन उडयला मरे. आयज आमी पळयता जेन्ना डिमॉनिटायझेशन जालें तेन्ना सगळ्यांत चड फटको कोणा पडलो? कॉमन मॅना पडलो. तेन्ना डेमोक्रेसीक हें लागूंक ना? दॅट टायम डेमोक्रेसी वॉज नॉट किल्ड. when the dissent is being completely crushed by the BJP government, that time the democracy is not being killed. Who is BJP to talk about democracy when they themselves are the ones who are destroying democracy since the day one they have come in power? And today we have come outside the Directorate of Education to meet the authority, but they are not allowing us to go inside. Why? Because he is scared. This is the death of democracy yet again. We just want to show him dissent. We just want to tell him why he is wrong. But no, he is sitting in his ivory office and he is telling us that no, I am right and you are nobody to tell me. Today is the death of democracy. Today is a dark day for democracy because he is stopping all the students from entering in his office. This is a public office. This is not an office. This is not a private office where he is the CEO. This is a public office. And we demand, as being citizens of this country who are following the Constitution of India, that we be allowed to go inside.
So if you want to make students aware about history, get them to know everything, no? Make the students write a letter on how Mahatma Gandhi was killed, why he was killed, and by whom he was killed. Make the students write a essay on how the CM respects the chair. Keep a chair in front and how the CM respects the chair. That make the students write an essay on. Make the students write an essay on why there was a ceasefire between India and Pakistan during Operation Sindoor. Now, today, yesterday when this headline came on Herald that the High Court has indicted two of BJP's members. From the one, Mr. Michael Lobo, yesterday made a statement. He was blaming the media. You all were there. He was saying that the media is doing apalipa. They are hiding the truth and they are not lying. So, in short, he is charging that the government is threatening the media. So now you all should say, if you all are being threatened by the CM to speak the truth, because he is alleging that. And then you all are making students here. They are Digambar Kamath, who is a former CM of Goa. He is such a respected politician. He is coming to a college and saying that people should ask Rahul Gandhi why he didn't question why his grandmother imposed emergency. Where was he when the constitution was respected? Are you in 2005 you joined Congress. That time we didn't know that so-called that the Congress was disrespecting the constitution. Or that time was the greed of to become CM more important than the constitution. You are so ungrateful, Mare. You were made CM by Congress and now you are questioning Congress. They were your karyakartas, the students they were your karyakartas to give their statements and give their speeches in the college. So please stop using the students for your political mileage.
Babasaheb Ambedkaraचे दिया how he played his important role in forming the constitution. Articles, तांचे right. So फाल्यां students जे भुरगे pass out जातले, they are well citizens of India. हाजेर शिकया, okay? आणि सेकंडली म्हणटा इफ तरी आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक एज्युकेशन सेक्टराचे इतले तरी पडून गेला, अरे फोकस घाला आमच्या गोवा युनिवर्सिटीचेर, फोकस घाला भुरग्यांचे स्किल्स अँड डेव्हलपमेंटाचेर. हे मेन इश्यूज. दिस आर नीड ऑफ एनर. बट ना, हांकां ह्या सरकाराक जाय पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा. ओके, सो तांचें कांय ना. दे आर ट्रायंग द बेस्ट. लास्ट इयर तेमी युनिफॉर्म हें केलें, कंपल्सरी केलें, जस्ट बिकॉज वन ऑफ देयर विंग्स हॅड प्रॉब्लम विथ दॅट. ओके, आनी फाल्यां ते अनवॉन्टेड तांची हिस्ट्री घेवन येवन भुरग्यांचे सिलेबसांक घातले. दे आर ट्रायंग दॅट. हें कांय ना. दीस इज प्रॉपर कितें म्हणटा ते डेमोक्रेसी म्हणटा ती खावन उडयल्या ह्या सरकारान. हांव मागतां आमचे एक डिमांड आसा ते विथड्रॉ करपाचें आमी ते नोटीस तेमी काल ते आउट केला तें आनी try to come up with a proper resolution. That's it.
Our only demand was to meet the Director of Education because of the circular that has come out, and we find that it is a very inappropriate political engagement that the school children who are not legal voters are are being fed the party agenda. So if you actually want to nurture the civic education in the school premises, I would like to suggest that the government should promote the constitutional values, teach the students the strength of the democracy, how the journey of democracy has traveled through India, how it has faced challenges, and how still after 76-77 years we are still able to stand as a strong democracy when it was predicted that India would never survive as a democracy. So I feel like school is a place where education is nurtured, where children's critical minds are developed, the critical thinking is developed. So please don't make playgrounds your political, don't use playgrounds to play your political games. Thank you.
They are asking us 1 or 2 people go to meet the director, right? I am from Tamil College, he is from Kare College, someone is from someone other college. So how do you expect one person to represent all the colleges that are present? I being a commerce student, I will represent my college. She being from some other college, she will represent her college. So when the college wants to represent, how can 1 or 2 students represent the entire colleges in Goa? Which is very wrong. We also asked them to get him down. We will stand here with the police being with him and just speak to him peacefully. See what they are doing with us.
Sir, लाठी नका. लाठी काढा. लाठी काढा.
So please take the video of them doing these things. Please take it. Please take it from here.
कॉलेजचे भुरगे न्हू सर आमी
तुम्ही आता पहिल्या अर्धवर आम्ही किती करपाचे आता दिसता पिसफुल वचून डायलॉग घेवपाचा आणि आम्ही सगळे तुम्हाला दिसता मोबाईल बी सगळे येता आमकां भितर सोडा तुम्ही इतलेच
लाठी काढा. लाठी नका. लाठी 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 हाडला. लाठी काढा. लाठी हाडला. ती लाठी नका सर. लागतले आम्ही भितर वचले ना. तुम्ही फोर्स यूज केला आमकां फोर्स यूज करचे पडटले न्ही. सगळे स्टुडंटाचे फोर्स आमकां यूज करचे पडटले न्ही.